Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clearing a 3 to 4 foot zone of debris so your tool won't bounce or break. That protects both you and the cutter. Next, pick the tool that matches effort and finish. Use a half moon for precision, a powered trimmer for speed. Once done, snap a chalk line or lay a garden hose to guide the cut. You want a consistent visual reference so your edge stays straight and even as you start striking the grass. You work in controlled 12 to 18-inch sections, so each pass stays precise and you don't overwork the soil. Keep the blade vertical and sink about 2 to 3 inches to sever turf roots. That prevents ragged regrowth. After each cut, lift out the soil strip and scrape the lawn side with a flat shovel or spade to make the face vertical. Then smooth stray blades with hand shears. This combination gives a crisp, durable edge rather than a shallow, temporary trim. To finish, tamp the exposed soil face to set the edge, and if needed, add a thin layer of topsoil to fill gaps so water won't wash it away. Next, decide on a barrier, mulch, plastic, or metal edging to reduce future creeping. This saves repeat work. If the blade binds or bogs down, stop immediately. Clear grass and roots, inspect and sharpen or swap the blade. That troubleshooting preserves tool life and keeps your edge clean and easy to maintain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.